Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by validating the model artifact and tagging the exact version so you know what you're deploying. Once validated, provision the target environment. Allocate GPU or CPU counts, memory, and persistent storage. Next, configure credentials and least privilege service accounts so your pipeline can fetch artifacts securely. Make sure to open only required network ports and reserve IPs if needed. As you do this, keep a small checklist of versions, resource sizes, and secrets to prevent drift between environments. Now build and push the container with precise dependencies and a health check endpoint so orchestration can monitor it. Then create the deployment manifest, pods, resource limits, and auto-scaling rules so the system can scale safely under load. Make sure you wire model configuration, logging, and metrics exporters so you can observe performance. Once configured, perform a staged rollout or canary to limit blast radius. If routes or secrets changed, update config maps and restart only affected pods to minimize downtime. You finish by validating behavior under real traffic. Run integration tests for latency, throughput, and error rates, and compare to baseline. Then shift traffic gradually using a canary strategy. Move from 5% to 50% to full while watching metrics and alert gates. If anything goes wrong, roll back the release and investigate logs, CPU/GPU saturation, and sudden metric changes. One key troubleshooting tip: if latency spikes, check batch sizes and I/O bottlenecks first. Adjusting back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.